much, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, the Alberta Human Rights Act prohibits discrimination against individuals on the grounds of physical or mental disability. But this law is outdated in that it allows discrimination based on future disability by permitting organizations to coerce individuals into providing their genetic information, and then it allows those same organizations to reject those individuals for employment or insurance. So to the Minister of Culture and Community Spirit, will the Minister support UNESCO's position that no one shall be subject to discrimination based on genetic characteristics?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, we had a fulsome and vigorous debate here 2 years ago on the Alberta Human Rights Act, and we looked at all different types of protected grounds. And we did not at the time think of that as a sufficient basis to put into the Act, and we stand by that today. If there is a belief that somebody has been discriminated against, they can take that to the Human Rights Commission and let the Commission determine.
The Honourable Member.
Well, no, sir, they can't. If they feel they've been discriminated against because of genetic information, it's not a prohibited grounds of discrimination, and they can't take it to the Act. Where else would the Minister suggest they take it then?
The Honourable Minister.
Well, Mr. Speaker, if it's not available on the Human Rights Commission, then I'm sorry. I'm not sure what opportunity they have. Maybe the courts is another avenue they should be looking at.
The Honourable Member.
Boy, I don't think you're making Albertans feel any more protected. Back to the same minister. Given these concerns, will the minister request his colleague, the minister responsible for the Personal Information Protection Act, to specifically prohibit the use of genetic information by organizations to make decisions on employment and insurance?
The Honourable Minister.
Mr. Speaker, I'm not aware of all the information, the allegations the Honourable Member is making. If the Honourable Member would like to submit that information to me in writing, I will give it some due consideration.